Happy Friday. Happy Wine Friday. I'm not drinking wine. I'm sorry. It's still going to be Wine Friday, but today I'm drinking organic strawberry and rose flavored water by Flow. And don't ask me, they're my daughters. But it's night and I still have to pack, and I just can't have wine or I will be on my butt. Cheers! I hope you are having wine. I really, really do. To make up for it, I did have Starbucks. Hello. I'm so glad you're joining me this Friday afternoon. And I'm going to show you the cutest little thing that you can do with our new Chalk Couture transfer. If you are not one of our club members, you definitely need to work on that today. Type club in the comments, and I will send you all the information to learn how to join the club, what's it all about, what are the details. In a nutshell, Chalk Couture is our exclusive preferred customer program where you get a project kit every single month. You get a transfer like this, that's 8.5 by 11, and you get 3 chalk paste colors in single packets to use, and lots of directions, videos, and PDFs to teach you how to use that. Plus, your amazing designer will also give you several different ways to use this transfer using different colors, surfaces, and all kinds of techniques. So that is just the tip of the iceberg. It's $19.99. That's it. For a subscription box? Wait, are you kidding? No, I'm not. It's only $19.99 a month. And on top of what you get, you also get spoiled, not only by me, but also by Chalk Couture. You get premium shipping no matter how large your purchase is. It's only going to be $4.99 in the US and $9.99 in Canada. And believe me, our stuff is not cheap to ship. We have lots of big surfaces and heavy stuff. It's not like we're just ordering vitamins or makeup, right? It's big deal. So $4.99 shipping for all that is amazing. On top of that, you also get specials throughout the year, including this month. Our club members can earn a free reclaimed surface. It's about a $20 value for free. All the details are on the website. I don't have time to get into all of it now, but just type club. You won't be sorry. Okay, now that I said all of that, let's look at our project. We're going to use the You and Me and this cute, adorable little house surface. I have prepared the surface already before this. I painted the inside. So these surfaces I found for $1 at the local dollar store. And you didn't hear that from me. And I am going to do a little bit of distressing on the inside of this. So really quickly, I've got this Java chalked paint, and I'm just going to open it up if I can. And I'm going to, like, really lightly, I'm just going to kind of take a brush like this that's real fluffy, and I'm going to barely tap it into the paint, and I'm just going to start doing this, just a tiny bit. Okay. Honestly, that's it. Now, after I do that, I mean, it's like hardly enough. I am gonna take my wax, our surface wax, and I'm gonna wax directly over this when it's a little bit wet. And what it helps to do is seal up this surface And if any of this was wet, it would move it around for me, but it looks like it's already dry. That's how little I had in there. So I was just kind of trying to distress that inside. Looks awesome. Especially up close because you can see some of the texture in the box. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these transfer pieces and I'm gonna mark the back. I'm gonna label the backs and the pieces so I know. Let's go ahead and do that. I mean, I know the big one is the big one, but helps me mark the back. Sometimes I just write the word back if it's just one, but if there are multiple pieces. Okay. Now, I am going to do me and you, or you and me.
Oh,
good night. Love you. Mwah. Thought you were going to bed at 8. Decided not.
What time are you leaving?
4:30 a.m.
Can you just wake me up, please?
At 4:30. Just to give you a hug and a kiss?
Are you leaving by yourself?
No, Dad is taking me.
Okay.
But he'll be back probably by 5 or 4:45 a.m.
You're leaving at 4:30? Okay. Can you wake me up and say...
Yeah, I will. I'll go in and give you a hug and a kiss.
Where are you going? Kalamazoo Airport?
Yes. Okay, good night. All right, you guys. For this particular saying, it doesn't really so much matter about grammar. I could say you and me. I could say me and you. Because there's no sentence. Right? I think I'm going to do you and me. And I'm going to kind of offset it, which you guys know is not my MO. And this is going to be a black. So I'm going to use my black velvet. It's kind of a lot. There we go. That is the U, and I can never get my fingers in there to grab the transfer, so I've got some tools. There's that. Dry this, so we're going to dry it real quick. Looks good. Now we're going to do me, and then we'll fit the heart right in the center. And this is kind of B. So it's not really the word and, it's just you, heart, me, right? So it's not, it can't be I, because we don't have an I. But this will be cute. There is no ampersand, but I could make one. This is the giant and. When I get back from my trip, lots more to come. Lots more stuff that I'm going to show you with this. I always like to do at least 3 projects. And we're going to pop this in here. This is going to be gold. A beautiful gold heart. Awesome. Now, I'm going to dry this. And we're going to do some embellishing. And that's my favorite part. Okay, let me clean these transfers really quick. You should do the same thing when you finish chalking. You should go right to your transfers and get them cleaned and get that drying process started. Oh, Jake, why are you down here? I do not know. Okay. Let's get this cleaned up. And we will embellish this beautiful little cute heart house. Okay, we're gonna make, we've got some brown, we've got some black and white and tan, and some burlap stuff. Okay, so we're gonna make kind of a small bow. You know that I like to make these. And so we're just cutting a little bit of ribbon for each thing. Oh, this one I should use my ribbon scissors. I have these whomping huge scissors, but they're good for things that have wire in them. Because the wire will ruin my regular scissors. And we definitely don't want that. Okay. Put these away. I'm going to make a longer cut here so I can actually tie this up. And then I'm going to add, I've got my glue, my hot glue going, because I've got some kind of a really cute add-on, kind of a surprise for this. So let me, I gotta use this. I love the fringe. Cannot do something without the fringe. Do you guys ever cringe like I'm gonna cut myself? I do. In my head I do. Oh my goodness. All right. So we'll kind of lay this down as our want these on top. That can go there. That can go like that. This. There we go. So we've got a nice little pocket of stuff. And I'm going to tie it up tight. And I'm going to glue. Wait till you see this. It's so adorable. This is a shout out to Susanna because she's like, you need to use this. So I am. Okay. I have this adorable little heart-shaped, like, do you see it? It's a heart-shaped, like, kind of like a button. And I'm going to put it on the front. So I'm going to hot glue this onto that. And then I'm going to hot glue the whole thing to the front. But first, let me distress some of this. Hey, by the way, if you guys are newish and you haven't checked out my free group, I would love to invite you in there. If you are a customer or just not a designer, we can't have designers, but if you're a customer, I would love for you to type add me in the comment, or even if you're not a customer yet. It's a completely free group. There's going to be lots of ideas, inspiration, and insider information for you. I'm just going to get a little glue on there. Try not to burn myself. Press that down. So yeah, check it out. Type add me in the comment and I will get you approved in there ASAP. Look how cute this is. Isn't that adorable? Okay, now I think I'm going to put it right here. So I'm just going to do a bead of glue, and I accidentally went over. So I'm going to press this down. Let's see what else. Oh, yeah, I'll do that in a second. Press this down. Here we go. All right, and I'm gonna, there we go. You can just kind of play with it, move the things around a little bit. Okay, let's take a look at how cute this is. So easy, so cute. And that little bit of metal looking metallic stuff, really cool, little distressing, little gold. For this and more ideas, keep watching, join my free group, and listen, if you've ever wanted to know what it takes to become a designer, just type team in the comments and I will send you an invitation to my opportunity group where you can watch a video that's going to tell you everything you need to know. There's all kinds of information in there, including your business in a box, an amazing designer starter kit, and how you can actually save 40% on every purchase you make. 40%. All right, just type team, T-E-A-M, and I will do the rest. Have an amazing rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend, and I will see you back here Monday live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time with a new bundle box. Oh, yes, with a new bundle box. All right, that's all. Have a great day, guys. Bye.